Complete prayer without neglecting any area. Intense prayer every day. That's what I want. This is what I always want, whether things are right or bad, because the spiritual fight is continuous, even if they do not see it with their physical eyes. With or without problems, there is equally spiritual struggle, but man in general reacts when there are problems. The rhythm and intensity of prayer of those who pray intensely must no longer stop, because the difficulties will no longer end on earth. There is no longer rest for the spiritual war, which is constant. Now some woke up and reacted. This keep this way from today on. Good for those who woke up. The warriors of the morning, those who seek me in privacy, and those who undo the enemy's plans before the dawn dawns. Get up in the morning to wield the sword of the Spirit and destroy every work and every plan of the enemy against you, your families, your city, your country. Decision and will. Pray without ceasing. Fight against your flesh. Develop habit and discipline. I give strength to the weary, and I multiply it to the one who has none.